all day. Come along and join the play. We're dancing in the street, feeling the happy beat. Come on and join the fun with everyone. Isn't this just the brightest day?
I love walking here with everyone. Look at all the fresh vegetables.
Keep up, Panda.
Don't worry, little ones. There will be enough honey cakes for everyone.
Really? Even the big ones with the sprinkles.
Especially those.
Dispatch, this is Unit 3. We have a confirmed structure fire. Requesting the fire brigade immediately.
Yeah, we saved the house.
Great job, team!
We did it! Woohoo!
Everybody jump, put your hands up high. We're dancing in the gym until the morning light.
I really pushed myself today.
Same here. How about we grab some smoothies?
Sounds good to me.
Looking good, team. We're making great time with these materials.
Yeah, the new house is gonna look amazing.
All right, bring her up nice and steady.
Hold it right there. Perfect.
Way to go, team!
Look at that perfect spin.
We did it!
Let's get the sauce on.
Wow, this pizza is incredible.
And the roasted chicken is perfect.
Look at the rainbow in the spray.
Wow, higher, higher.
This is so much fun.
Remember, kids, sharing is caring. Let's find out what happens next.
Woohoo! Yeah!
We did it!
Hooray!
Wow, look at that catch.
Oh no, the sky looks angry! Look at this beauty.
The biggest one yet!
And look at mine. We make a great team.
This fish is absolutely delicious.
I've never had better.